You know, I've been reflecting on the importance of building emotional resilience or mental resilience in the same way that we build physical resilience. Kasi kung gusto mong maging malusog ang katawan mo, ano bang gagawin mo? Siyempre, kakain ka ng healthy food, di ba? Nag-e-exercise ka, tapos baka nagba-vitamins ka pa para tumibay ang resistensya mo. Kasi if you don't have physical resilience, your environment can hurt you. Pwede kang magkasakit o kaya madali kang magkaroon ng injury. Pero hindi lang katawan ang kailangan ng resistensya eh. Pati utak at damdamin, if you don't have mental resilience, your environment can also hurt you. Stress can easily break you down. At saka yung toxicity ng ibang tao, di ba? Whether they mean it or not can get to you. Worse, you might even become toxic yourself because you have already absorbed too much negativity from others. So, paano nga ba mag-build ng mental resilience? Meron akong tatlong suggestions. Yung una ay to learn. Feed your mind. The more self-aware you are, the better you can regulate your emotions. So, hindi mo mapipigilan yung toxic situations. Pero matututunan mong harapin at i-navigate yung mga ito nang hindi ka nadadala sa stress or galit. Second is to sharpen your communication skills. Importante ito. You need to learn to negotiate for win-win solutions. You should be advocating for yourself without trampling on others. When you communicate clearly and assertively, you reduce misunderstanding and build healthier relationship with others. Yung pangatlo is to celebrate who you are and what you bring to the world and also celebrate your growth. Hindi mo kayang baguhin yung ibang tao, pero kaya mong baguhin yung sarili mo. And the moment you grow and become stronger, people will notice and people will change the way they deal with you. And that's power. Resilience is about becoming bulletproof. It's about being strong enough to bend without breaking. So start building that mental muscle today. I hope this helped.